welcome back to the channel. My name is Katie. If you saw the title of today's videos, we have more whale alerts. We have more whale alerts, which is awesome, and they're all coming in hot on the same day. This is such bullish news for Shiba Inu, and it begs the question, who are these whales? Is this Robinhood, and is Robinhood just about to list? Are we getting a listing this week? What is happening? We're gonna go over all of this in detail. And guys, I'm so excited because we have multiple reports of whales at the same time. And anybody who follows me, you guys know what my mantra is. You know what I say about the whales. You wanna make the big money, you gotta learn to swim with the whales. And you don't have to be a whale to learn how to swim with them. We just have to see what they're doing and where their paths are going, get behind them. And guys, we don't have to have hundreds of thousands or millions or billions or trillions. We just have to have whatever we can do and get those little crumbs that the whales leave behind, those little, hundreds, little thousands, little tens of thousands, because for people like us, that adds up. We can be very smart, and you guys know how it is. When you have money, you can make money. That's the golden rule, and that's one of the things I want to teach you on this channel. That's why I am so big when it comes to Shiba Inu of trying to figure out exactly what these whales are doing so we can mimic those movements. Because remember, guys, what is money? At the end of the day, money is energy. Energy is access to be able to create what you want on this planet within the confines of the structure it is currently set up in. And part of energy is access to information. These people at the top, even if they're not supposed to, even if maybe it's not even legal, they have access to inside information about where things are going. So when the markets are down, especially when the markets are down, and we see them buying, that is always a bullish sign because they know things that we don't about where something is going. And the fact that we continue over the last, 2 or 3 months, we have nonstop whale activity. You guys get a whale video from me several times a week at this point, several times a week about different whales. That means they know something we don't coming up. And I've been giving you my analysis on this market. People are saying we're about to enter the big bear market. And I don't know that that's true. I think we're in an extended super cycle, and I think we have to throw a lot of, not all, but a lot of that historical data out the window about what's coming, because we are now in a phase of mass adoption with cryptocurrency we've never seen before. No longer are these just fun little ideas that we have and these fun technologies that we're gonna put in place at some point that will revolutionize the world. They're here, they're revolutionized. We are doing it now, real time. This is being used right now. And as a result, the game has changed. I don't know that we're going to see the big blow off tops and the 90% decreases like we did before. So as a result, the way we deal with our money is going to change. We have seen nothing but bullish signs for Shiba Inu, especially with this AMA and all the things coming out, all the burning of the token, all of the metaverse gaming, Shibarium, all of the things that are just about to happen for Shiba Inu are screaming that we are going to see at some point a lot of bullish things happening for Shiba. We've already gone up, like 2.6 million% in the last year alone. Craziness. Like we are one of the number one coins about how quickly we have risen. So these are just bullish signs for Shiba Inu, and I am so excited to bring you guys this news because when we see those whales move, we need to take notice. They know something we don't, and typically that means the price is about to go up. And if that happens, that means we get to make money and we know what to do, and we have better options and better choices with being able to manage where our money is going. So let's jump on my computer and let's see exactly what's going on with all of this and what this means for us. But before we do, guys, I'm giving away a $100 gift card, and it's really simple, guys. To be entered and eligible to win my money, this is all you have to do. Like the video, subscribe, hit notifications, comment, share the content, watch a video from start to finish. Boom. You are entered, you're eligible. That's all you have to do. Guys, make sure and do it for every single video you see. The more likes, the more shares, the more comments, the more times you watch from start to finish, the bigger chances you have of winning my money because the more times you are entered. I've been holding in that cough for like a minute. Hold on. Don't you hate when that happens? Winter hit, allergies are coming up, histamine, and I'm gonna look like a real fun tomato some days. Today I think is a little better than yesterday, but oh my gosh, yesterday I looked like such a tomato. My poor little face was so puffy. Guys, I'll announce one winner on Sunday, so make sure and watch all of Sunday's videos to see if you've won. Good luck, everybody, and check out last Sunday's videos. This past Sunday, I announced 2 winners. Nobody's claimed the cards yet. I don't want you to miss out on your money. See if you have won. Go check out the videos. So let's go ahead, guys. Let's jump onto my computer and see exactly what's going on. So let's go ahead and let's dive into this. This is from cryptonews.net. It says, Shiba Inu enters 2022 as most popular holding of whale addresses. The year 2021 was a triumphant one for the meme-based token that has changed the lives of many people, with a 1,000% run back in October and million percentage returns since the first listings. The asset currently remains one of the most popular positions of the cryptocurrency market with more than 1.1 million holders. Shiba remains most popular asset among whales. As the year 2021 ends, Shiba Inu remains the most popular holding among the 1,000 largest Ethereum addresses, with 1.8 billion sitting on numerous whale tier addresses. While the asset's holding value has dropped below 1.8 billion previously, there is a positive sentiment on the market right now before New Year's is celebrated. Little bit older of an article, but I wanted to bring this up. Other markets and on-chain Shiba Inu metrics have also entered the green zone and shown growth in net flow, the average balance of whale tier wallets, and the average value of Shib holdings. The group of related metrics is tied to the 2% price increase for Shiba Inu today, and the absence of almost any selling pressure according to trading volumes. Shib's market performance and volatility. With overall market data for Shiba Inu is looking highly positive. The volatility of the asset is still sitting at extremely low values, reaching 2% per day, which is the rate common for traditional stocks, bonds, and foreign currencies. According to the token's market history, increased volatility is one of the main selling points of Shiba Inu, with the majority of users buying into assets in order to hit the jackpot by riding another 100% wave. That was no surprise for Shib. So let's also look at this chart. So right now, this is where it's at. It says for the whales, Shib has 8.29%, guys. That is 100,000 million, but 1.8 billion sitting there. 1.8 billion. We have XTF token at 7.29% with almost 1.6 billion, 1.58 billion. Other tokens, it says 5.99%. And then we can see some of the breakdowns here. So USDT is at 5% with about 1.1. We have USDC at 2.84%, and that is 100,000. So that's 617,000. And then we have a few others as well, like Crow is one I really like. That's sitting at 459 million, Matic 397,000. We've got Mana, which I really like, and that's at 200 something, and now it's just going down. There's also a lot of good coins on here. Sand is one that I wanted to get into and I didn't. Tell is one that's on here. Link, I have lots of Link, really bullish on Link. So there's a lot of good bullish news on here when it comes to Shiba. And guys, the fact that this is what this is saying, Shiba remains the #1 cryptocurrency of whales. And we're going into 2022 that way. I know everybody right now is scared. There is so much FUD going on in the market. I hear it, guys. I know, I see it from you guys. There is so much, okay, the price is down. What do I do? What do I do? Guys, if you want to be good traders and investors, you have to ride this stuff out. This is something that you're gonna have to do. I am very much a long-term hodler. Hodler holding is how I've gotten my wealth. Guys, I watched a $9,000 investment. I watched that go down to $800, having no idea what was going to happen, and I was on the verge of bankruptcy. No clue what was going to go on. Here's how I invest. When I throw money into something, basically I say, you know what? We're going to ride this out and see what happens. Now, don't do what I did. What I did wasn't very smart to throw that much money in there, but my situation was a little bit different. It was a little bit of a happy accident. That money was supposed to go into another trading account where I was going to be trading regular fiat pairs on Forex exchanges. That's what I was doing for a while. And I didn't transfer all my money, and then it went up. It went up and I made $3,000 off of the 9, and then it all crashed and kept crashing and didn't stop crashing for 2 or 3 years. So my situation is a little bit different in how I actually got involved when it comes to my Ethereum and crypto, but I still have the same mindset, which is, you know what? I've already invested enough, might as well see where this goes. So make sure with any investments you do, by the way, this is just my opinion. This is not financial advice. These videos are entertainment purposes only. But my opinion when it comes to this stuff, guys, when it comes to trading, when it comes to investing is, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Don't do what I did. Mine paid off, but don't do that. That's not smart. I went into this not smart. And a big reason that I do this channel is because I want you guys to avoid all the mistakes that I made in the beginning, and some I even still do. I'm not a super expert trader, but I am somebody who was disabled with very little funds that made things work from bed and has seen this market get very, very scary. So I do have some success under my belt in some years when it comes to doing this. And I just want to empower normal people who feel intimidated by crypto, who feel like they can't do it, they're not smart enough, they don't have enough money, to empower those people. Or I'm disabled and I'm in bed and I can't work, I barely have anything coming in, there's no way I can do this. You can. There are ways to do it, and I'm going to show you because I've been a person who's been able to do it and come out the other side. So guys, we have to be able to ride the market going up and down. And the reason I do these videos on whales, there are two reasons. Number one, I want to show you where the price is going. When we see the whales buy, we need to perk up, especially when we see the whales buy when the price is down. I tell you every time, and I mean it every time. They know things that we don't. They know what's going on when it comes to where the price is going because they have access to information. It is possible, guys, that when we see the whales buy, not even possible, we need to know that they are getting ready for the price increases. The question is going to be when, which is where for us, patience is so key. Patience coming into this market and with your investment. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, but make sure invest enough that you can ride the ups and downs. That is what is very, very important. And make sure and do that math on your side. At some point, I'll do a video. I'm going to do an updated video explaining how, in my opinion, how much money you need to be able to ride things out right now, how much you need to be able to put into different coins if you're going to ride out where the markets are at the moment. But guys, where people lose money is when they panic sell. In fact, think about it in life. When you panic in general, that's when things tend to go to crap. The best thing to do, and it's not that stress and anxiety don't happen, obviously they happen, do your best to keep calm, breathe, and keep moving forward with your investments. Now, where does this tie into Robinhood? Here is the really fun facts about Robinhood. Robinhood, we know, is listing soon. So these whales, these big whales that are buying everything up recently, are we seeing Robinhood? And this is a sign we're about to see their listing. Now, we know with these whales, they are anonymous, guys. Well, some of them will put out who they are, and then some of the exchanges. We know that with these exchanges, before they list, a lot of times they buy up a lot of the crypto. Sometimes they will put their name on the wallet, but many times it goes blank. And sometimes we have exchanges that have wallets out there that have their name on it, and then some that don't. So a lot of times right now, when we see these big whales buy, we think our exchange is coming, our listing's coming. And if listings are coming, and if listings are right around the corner, that's always bullish news for what's going on with the price. So as a result of all of these things, are we about to see this listing from Robinhood, which is supposed to come sometime between January and March or April? Is this Robinhood saying, hey, y'all, hey, we're here and we're ready with all of the breadcrumbing, with all of the hints they've already been dropping? I think it's possible. So I want to know what you guys think. Do you think Robinhood is buying everything up? What do you think about the fact that this is still the most popular crypto among the whales? Sound off and let me know. I'm curious to see what you have to say. And guys, if you want to support this channel and even possibly win some of my money, it's all free. You don't have to pay anything. This video is free. This is all you have to do to support me and be entered and eligible to win my money. Like the video, subscribe, hit notifications, comment, share the content, watch a video from start to finish, boom. You're entered, you're eligible, that's all you have to do. Guys, make sure and do it for every single video you see. The more likes, the more comments, the more shares, the more times you watch from start to finish, the more what? The more chances you have of winning my money, because the more times you are entered to win. And guys, my channel is a teeny tiny baby channel. It is still very small, which means you have a good shot of winning my money. So good luck, everybody. I'll announce one winner on Sunday, so make sure and watch all of Sunday's videos. And guys, nobody's claimed Sunday's money yet. Nobody's claimed the gift cards. I announced 2 winners. Go check it out to see if you have won. Okay, guys, I think I'll end the video here for now. I just want to say another big thank you. I'm just so grateful to you all. I love you so much. Every time I sign off on this platform, I remind myself how insanely blessed I am that I have you, how insanely blessed that I am that you guys give me the ability to do these videos every day. And I promise you, I'm going to continue to work that much harder to help all of us get in our best and highest health and best and highest wealth. We deserve it simply because we exist, because we're free, sovereign beings, and do not let any psychopathic elites at the top tell you any differently. I love you guys. Take care. See you soon. Lots of love, lots of blessings. Till the next video, I'm giving everybody hugs, kisses, stay safe, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.